The main priority in this field is to bring back palliative care from hospital to the community level. And the best examples is in 1994, during the genocide against the Tutsi, we lost 1 million people in 100 days, but we lost also our sense of humanity. So I believe that the concept of palliative care will contribute to bring the sense of humanity we lost during the genocide. Why? Because palliative care is not about withdrawing or withholding medication only. It's about dignity and it's about sense of humanity. So the main priorities is to bring back the sense of humanity at the community level. We need to ask the community to own again the concept of palliative care and has to be removed from the hospital and make sure that the patient, including the family members, will receive the sense of humanity, but also the dignity they deserve.